Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here again. Thank you. Good morning.
Yes. We've got a great question today as well, a Facebook question. Let's pull that up while I can read it. My father still works at a local factory and the machines are very loud on the floor. At 56, his hearing is shot. Can he file a workers' comp claim for something like that?
Okay. Well, it's a good question and one that comes up a lot. So it's occupational exposure over time to, might be chemicals, it might be noise. There's lots of situations where people find themselves in a workplace environment that repetitive motion or something is not one event.
Okay.
It's not like something blew up and blew his eardrum out. That would be an easier case, but these repetitive exposure kind of situations are very difficult, frankly, under workers' comp. The real question is this. So do you have a case against your employer other than workers' comp? And that answer is pretty simple, and the answer is no.
Yeah.
Except in very limited circumstances where there's been just a wanton behavior, there may be exceptions. Alabama's a little more liberal on that, so if you have a specific question, it need to be looked at specifically. But the truth is, with workers' comp, we give up our right to a claim against our employer for the assurance of having our medical bills paid and lost wages paid. Now here's the thing about hearing loss cases, in Georgia anyway.
Yeah.
There are 8 criteria to prove, and even if you prove them, all you can get is medical care, not lost earnings. So I guess it's considered not to be disabling to work, to not be able to hear, so that you can't get lost earnings. So all you'll ever do is get the medical care you need. That's kind of limited too. Very difficult cases. The comp is there when you get hurt on the job, but these kind of ongoing, build up over time are difficult cases, but they can be won. And they have, but there's criteria that has to be met.
Yeah, definitely. And like you mentioned, so if somebody had some questions about a case like this, would you want them to contact you?
Certainly. I mean, that's the point. Every case is different. Every case has its certain nuances. It's like it's like a medical situation. There's no one, we can't really diagnose something over the television. So, but anyway, we're always happy to talk to people about their situation. And if you still have your job there, a lot of times the real concern is, how do I find out what my rights are and not jeopardize my work? And most lawyers try and be very discreet about that. You need to know what your rights are even if you don't make the claim.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Thank you so much, Gary.
You're welcome.
We'll see you in the very next Legal Break.